Hey guys, welcome back to the old Go Bulgaria version. Not Go Bulgaria anymore, guys. Just happy to meet you back. Well, Google took away my Go Bulgaria channel. I renamed it Blitz, but I've decided, saw that there was already a channel on YouTube that was called the Blitz. So sorry guys, further on I'll switch it to Bulgarian World. Well, actually no, that's a mistake, guys. I'll upload it when I switch. Today we're gonna do airplane spotting at IAD Dulles International Airport. Let's watch this Austrian Airlines. When it took off, I think it was an A330 to take off. Come on, and let's get into it. Here, as you can see, I'll zoom it up for you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to the video. I'd appreciate if you do it. So click that notification button and that subscribe button. Hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. Wait a minute, guys. Let me do square screen mode. Yeah. Let me do side screen. Yeah, I did side screen. Okay. Next is United 737 MAX. There he took off. What's he doing over there? But anyways, he took off. Where that beauty goes. There it is. Wait a minute, guys. Oh, it's kind of wobbly. Gotta also watch out for the road. Okay, we're watching. Oh, guys, look! A Cessna! Look, guys, there's a Cessna landing here. Wow, look at that beauty, guys! Look at her! Look at her land! Wow, look at her! Look at that beauty! I wasn't even expecting a Cessna to land, guys. I mean, like, the planes were taking off, like... Well, now I feel the wind going that way, so... They should be taking off still, and there she landed. She retard. Yep. Retard. She landed. Yep, guys, she landed. After that, it's a very special one. It's a SAS Scandinavian Airlines A350. So let's get into it. Guys, I'll come a little closer. Sorry I got the zoom to 10, but I just wanted to do it that way. So guys, I appreciate that you subscribe. I appreciate that you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. There he is. There she is. Scandinavian Airlines. Let me back up for you guys. Guys, just checking. Any inbound? Wait a minute, guys. By the way, I'm recording this on my mom's phone. I am. Yes, I'm recording it on my mom's phone. By the way, next video I'll record on my phone tomorrow. We'll make our next video. I zoom in for you. You beloved guys. Is he there yet? Wait, guys, there's a bug. Oh, wow. There she is. There she is, that A350. I gotta scoot away from the road. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, watch her. Next, I think is another United. Yeah, just look at her. Look at this beauty. First, she's gonna take off, then this big beast will take into the skies. Oh, guys, I can hold on. Taking off. There she goes. There she taxis to the runway, guys. she turned away. Huh, that's strange, guys. I think she oh yeah, because she's behind, guys. Guys, I think she taxied the full length of the runway and turned on. Oh yeah. Okay, not really what I meant, but there she is. There she is, guys. Take it off. She's going in graphic warning. I'm only an 8-year-old who's making the video, but guys, just stay tuned. I think I'm an 8-year-old who thinks he can be a very good YouTuber, but you really saw me actually. Wait a minute, guys. Let me just. Okay. Let me do full zoom for you. Let's look over. She's going, yeah. Oh, there she is. Look at her take off. Look at her, look at her. There she is, taking off into the skies. I was heading for Sweden. A minute, guys, let me walk over to the other side, guys. And if you like my videos, guys, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. If you love my videos, hit that like button. Okay? Oh, thank you, guys. I appreciate you very much. Now let's get back to the plane spotting. Okay, some more beasts take off, guys. We zoom in for you. We zoom in for you, guys. Alright, guys, what's that? Oh, it's just for different people. Wait a minute. I'm trying to record here. That one just took off. What's that one? Oh, guys, look! Wow, guys! Oh, I can't keep it balanced, guys. I can't keep it steady. Steady. And steadily. Oh, look at that flock of birds. See that base landing. Jeez. Wait a minute. No, guys, that was very awesome. So, I'm begging you, you better hit that like button for that one. You better hit that like button. I think it was a Gold. Yeah, I think it was a Gulfstream G560. I don't know. It could have been. Who knows? Okay. Anyways, guys, let's get into the spotting. We don't want to miss this plane taking off. Wait a minute, guys. Let me sit down. Zoom, guys. Wait a minute, guys. There you go. Just gonna watch this beast for the last part of this video. Then we'll meet on tomorrow. Change it to Bulgarian Road just when I get back. I'll call it Bulgarian World Aviation. Come on. I'll just sit crisscross. Oh, guys, I can't keep the screen steady and balanced. Okay, IAD Airlines. I know it's the biggest airline of all. That one, I can't watch it. If it's a unique airline, I'll do one more, okay. Okay, guys, if you want to. If it's a unique airline, I'll do it. Looks like we'll be doing it, I guess. Guys! I hear something. I couldn't show you. It was too close, but there was a plane landing from the other runway. It's IAD Airlines. Oh wow! Oh wow! Okay. If it's another airline besides United, I'll do it for you guys. Look really. Very close. Okay, just let's reach this. So it takes off. The way should be clear. Waiting just for her. Beast. She's taxiing. The other planes. There's a chance it might be still United. And if it is, I won't do it. But actually, for today, this will be the last one since I'm tired. So, okay, let's get into this. There she is. This plane, oh my god, this plane is a 777. Yeah, this is a Boeing 777. Okay, wait for him to take off. Come on, go. Okay, she powers. I'll change the channel to Bulgarian World Aviation 100. Lift her off. We're not gonna watch this one. There she goes for our last one. We'll get her lift off. If you're a lover with United, you could watch this video and it's probably for you. I mean, I've seen United too much, so I don't like it a lot. So just, yep, even that one's a United, so sorry. And okay, that was our last one. Alright, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. That is sponsored by, well, now it's Bulgarian World Aviation 100. On that note, thank you for watching this video, and goodbye. See you tomorrow.